what are you going to tell me about that?
Nice!
Yeah. How come you
Okay. We're going to pray. Oh, let's pray.
Okay.
Okay. Dear Jesus, thank you so much for having us all together. Everybody is so awesome. Thank you for this awesome band, God. Everybody plays so beautifully and is such a cool person in general.
Hey, just because I'm Jewish, you could have waited for me,
I'm
man.
sorry. And we love Jewish people. And thank you so much for everybody, like I said before, and let us have a great show and play through our fingers and sing through my voice. And let's put on a kick-ass show for Tulsa, Oklahoma. Woohoo!